How to move a wall oven installed next to a wall. The wall next to this double wall oven blocks the Airsled appliance dolly's leg from swinging around to support the rear. In such scenarios, the Airsled LiftCart may be a more suitable solution. To protect the oven's overhanging trim, a 2x4 was used when lifting the oven's front. With the oven tilted upward, carefully pull the unit towards you. Monitor the back while pulling to ensure the oven does not slip off the support. Lower the oven to make clearance for an identical 2x4 placed at the rear. The second 2x4 ensures the oven remains level while on the lift cart. You can now raise the oven completely off the support and easily roll it away with the Airsled lift cart. Return the oven by rolling it into position over the support and lowering the unit to remove the rear 2x4. The lift cart's hand remote gives you precise control when raising or lowering a heavy object. Always monitor surroundings for safety when using the Airsled lift cart. Raise the oven so that it can be pushed back over the support. Carefully push the oven off the lift cart and onto the support. Complete the process by removing the lift cart and the front 2x4 to push the oven into its final position. Learn more at airsled.com.